Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths. So yes, a lot of people got surprised by the answer for this one. The thing over here was that the series given over here is 24, which is followed by 6. Then we have 36 followed by 9, then which is followed by 81. So this looks very easy because here this is nothing but what, 9 square, and here we are getting this as what, 6 square. But the trouble happens when you need to find the correlation between 24 and 6 as well as 36 and 9. Now if you see, people think that this is divided by 4. So here also this should be divided by 4. So here also we should do divide by 4. But that doesn't happen. Then some people think that okay, there might be a correlation like this, then you add 3. 6 plus 3. So then you should add plus 3 to 9. Okay. But that also is not possible because these are not the part of our answers. Okay. The options are given over here. Okay. So now in this case, how do we do this? See, when you look at 24, okay, see, understand, when they have given a particular number in the series, means there has to be some correlation, right? So 24, and from here we need to get the 6. So you will see when you add 2 plus 4, you get 6. Similarly, 36, when you add 3 plus 6, you get the answer as 9. So then we have 81, when you add 8 plus 1, you get the answer as 9. That is why the answer for this one will be 9. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.